Yo, hello everyone. Welcome back to the series. Um, سالينا backtesting session ديال simulation ديال challenge ديال 10K. Um, and yeah, now we're starting a series ديال real 10K challenge ديال Alpha Capital. It's Monday, 5th of January 2020. Um, So it's the start of a new year. إن شاء الله يكونوا a lot of opportunities هاد العام هذا. And yeah, we'll see if we manage to find a trade today on Monday. Um, of course, if we manage to pass the first phase غادي ندوزو للsecond phase. إذا دوزنا second phase غادي ندوزو للfunded. And نشوفو إذا قدرنا نوصلو للpayout في هاد challenge ديال 10K. Okay. Uh, yeah, let's go. I guess عندلو الanalysis ديال اليورو USD is gonna be the same thing. It's gonna be one pair, one trade per day, and I think basic rules, salam. And yeah, we just follow our strategy. So risk management is one trade per day, pardon, and 1% per trade. Yeah, I think let's go. Yep. So of course this is it. Alpha Capital is 10K. Evaluation هو 2 steps till first phase, second phase. Account says it's 10K. So profit target عنا $1,000, 10% فحال challenge اللي دوزنا فحال backtesting challenge. Max loss is $1,000 هي 10%. و max daily loss هي 5%، هي $500. Okay. So as you can see, it's a new account, so ما فيها حتى شي حاجة. And yeah, we'll start it together inshallah. So let's go. Let's do our analysis. So yeah, usually we start with the daily. I don't think نحتاجو أننا نمشيو further than the daily. So yeah. So daily, of course, swing structure ديال daily is actually bullish. هادي هي الdaily low ديالنا، هادي هي daily high. Let's mark it. Okay, so daily low ديالنا daily high ديالنا. After the break of a swing structure the daily price pull back on a discounted area pull back on a demand zone هادي. Okay, pull back deeper on a demand zone هادي. our last internal structure ديال daily كانت عندنا هي هادي، وهادي هي ال internal high. So after this push رجعنا demand zone هادي. We had a pullback from this demand zone. Price tried to push again من demand zone ما نقدرش. So هنايا basically قبل ما يبريكي structure هنايا to the upside, it was just a normal pullback والسلام. Okay. So باش كونفيرمينا بأن price صافي باغي يبوشي to the upside is when we have a break of internal structure. كتكون عندنا more confirmation. ولكن first signs هما changement ديال character. هنايا we had a change of character. Okay. علاش حيتاش هنايا هادي it's a fractal structure. So إذا حاولنا 4H تلقى بأن كاين واحد supply zone هنايا buy to sell range. So price push and then we had a pullback and then we had a push لي break هاد structure هادي. Okay. So price مين طلع شونجا لنا كاركتر هنايا هاود الديماند زون لي شونجا كاركتر and yeah منا we had this push up higher. Okay. Price may push higher طلع deeper into this supply zone. Okay. طلع deeper in this supply zone we had the liquidation of this zone. So usually in this case هنايا ما حد كان باقي ما بريكاش البرايس. كنا كنقدروا نكسبكتيو بان البرايس باقي غادي يبوشي lower. Okay. So كان خصنا نكونوا رادين بالنا اذا كنا خدينا تريدز من هنايا وكنا نتارجيتيو هاد السبلاي ولا هاد الهاي هادي just to be sure. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so after break of internal structure ديال daily price try to push again ما قدرش. Then we had this leg ديال daily which is break not fractal structure هنايا changement ديال character باش انه pull back. So where do we think the price غادي pull back? This actually is a flip zone, so as I said usually price كان خصو يبوشي من هاد الزون هادي. had supplies on ID, but depends on gets stronger وبريكات internal structure. So yeah, um, Morad push ID probably there's a lot of liquidity sitting below this low ID. So price target هاد low ID باش يهود demand zone باش انه يكمل. So usually هاد demand zone هي refined demand zone. Price of course ماشي ضروري انه يهود استغفر الله. Price ماشي ضروري انه يهود deeper في هاد demand zone because usually the full zone هي دي و price ديجا هيتا. Okay. Um, and yeah, I think this is about it for the daily. كنظنش بأن نحتاجو more confirmation. Of course, swing structure و internal structure is bullish, fractal structure is bearish باش أنها facilitate pullback in demand ديال internal structure. So usually can expect أن الناس تكمل push ديالها higher. Okay. It should actually target the weak high because it's weak because it's failed to break the low. Okay. بهاد push هادي ما قدرتش أنا تبريكي هاد اللو هادي which means بأن هاد الهاي هادي is weak which means when price starts breaking internal structure to the upside this is our target. Okay. So I think this is about it for the daily and هيدا drawings. Okay. مش ما confusing أوش أوشي. So we had هنايا swing structure, swing break structure. هنايا هنايا we had swing break structure to the downside. Okay, so كانت عندنا هادي هي الهاي ديالنا وهادي هي اللو ديالنا. هنايا برايس بريك عندنا swing structure ديال 4 hours. So swing هاي ديالنا هي هادي و swing low ما تفورماتش هي. Okay. So usually after a swing break of structure can expect a pullback. شنو areas اللي we think price is gonna pull back to. So usually ملي كيكونوا هاد الزونز هادو بزاف price كيكون kind of a consolidative push يعني كيكون كيبوشي ولكن in a consolidative way. Okay. I don't know ما كتكونش كيكونوا شي really interesting zones. Usually كيكونوا هاد zones كاملين mitigated يعني كيميتيجيو بعضياتهم باش انه يكملوا push. So usually the last supply zone اللي unmitigated هي هادي. Usually it's also a flip zone. Demand zone was in control. Usually they can price باقي يكمل push ديالو higher. We'd expect بأن هاد demand zone أنها تهولد باش أنه يكمل push ديالو. Okay. This supply zone I don't know صراحة من وصلنا supply zone then we will see if we can manage to take a trade from here. Maybe because price هنا ما بريكاش ببادي بريكا غير بالويك which means بأن هذه هي اللي كاملة which means بأن price يقدر يليكيدي هاد الزون هادي يطلع لنا هنايا but as long as it doesn't break this then we're good, then we're still bearish. Okay. Okay, so we go to 15 minutes نشوف هاد نريفاينيو هاد 4 hours supply zone هادي من هنايا. Okay. Yeah. So swing structure ديال 15 minutes. So هنايا we had our last swing break structure to the downside for 15 minutes. So هادي swing high ديالنا وهادي of course هي swing low. Oops. هي swing low ديالنا. So هذا هو الرينج اللي كنلعبو فيه so far. Let's look at 50%. So 50% أنا هاد الزونة هادي, which is also this is the first supply zone. Really interesting. It's also a flip zone because price can keep pushing. Yeah, take the full zone here. Yeah, we had a break of internal structure هنا at 15 minutes. Price رجع لنا demand zone اللي changes character. Tried to push to the upside باش انه يكمل الobjective ديالو, but it couldn't. So هنا even supply took over. It is actually above the Asia high. So yeah, ونشوف بين وصلنا للزونة دي. This is an interesting zone to sell from. Okay, but so far we have a change of character for 15 minutes. هنايا price رجع demand zone اللي changes character, then we had another push. So far we can actually follow that. So we follow that. So this is actually a good zone to trade from to the upside. Then we put our alert here, and once price gets to this zone right over here and triggers my alarm ديك الساعة, I'm gonna start recording again, okay? Yo. So yeah, price hitتنا التاجر ديالنا. Now we go to the 1 minute. There are too many zones here. 35 minutes. This zone. ودي هي كانت ديك الزون slash through. So غادي نحيدوها. Code. Okay. Yeah, now we just wait for a change of character. Okay guys, so 15 minutes باقي لها 5 minutes and this 25 seconds اللي باقي. Yeah, it pulled back deeper into the demand zone, which is amazing صراحة. The only issue is that the change of character and not third place هذه. It's not really an issue صراحة, but if it was closer it would be better صراحة, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, we have liquidation or places are not in the demand zone. Yeah, we'll wait for a change of character هنايا, and we'll wait for price to come back to the demand zone اللي changes character to take it right to the upside, okay? Okay, so yeah, our change of character تبدل, price actually pushed a little bit lower, and yeah, we'll see if price is gonna keep pushing down أو لا. We will have a continuation of the retracement from there. Of course, إذا price break عنا internal structure ديال 15 minutes, then we follow that. Yep. So we might have a break of internal structure, pull back باش أنا يكمل push ديالو في الداون, and we will see. This is why we wait for confirmation, because إذا كنا دخلنا directly, let's say this zone right over here, it doesn't matter, put the stop loss right over here, yeah, then we would have been triggered, price could push شوية, then it comes directly to our stop loss. But if we have a change of character, then we have more confirmation, okay? Doesn't mean that if it changes character, it's not gonna go down, it's definitely gonna go up. That's not true. But it's more confirmation, then price is gonna push higher, okay? Okay, just to make sure, كاين حتى شي high impact news اللي غادي اللي يقدروا يرونونا. خرجوا النيوز مع 9 الصباح ديال unemployment change ديال Spain. Nothing really major. كاين PMI مع 4 العشية. I don't think we'll be trading at that time, but we will see. So usually Usually this is a change of character for 15 minutes. Expect price انه يرجع عند من supply zone باش انه يكمل push ديالو في الداون. To be honest, based on the analysis اللي عملت كامل, I expect انه price pull back a little bit deeper. So I'll count this as a liquidation, and yeah, I'll take the setup. If I lose, then I lose. Okay, doesn't matter. And if I lose, we go to the next day, and yeah, this is about it. So نتسناو changement ديال الكاركتير, نتسناو يرجعنا demand zone, نشونجي الكاركتير, and then we take the setup. إذا price من هنايا بدا كيبوش lower, then yeah, I think I think إذا price like the candle شدت شنو اسمه body below هاد الويك هادي, below هاد اللو هادي, then yes, then the small confirmation. But so far price ما قدرش انه يبريك هي body. So based on the full analysis, I count this as a liquidation more than a change of character. So this is a fractal breaker structure. So this is our change of character. So we had our change of character right over here. Yeah, I think we can take this trade right over here. The price رجعنا الديماند زون هادي. So the sooner we take the trade, the sooner غادي تكون عندنا away باش انا نعدلو بريك ايفن باش حتى البرايس طلع لنا الزون وبغا يكمل بوش ديالو في الداون, then we will be secure, فهمت. Yeah, I think we're taking this. I think it's a little bit too late, but yeah, taking this 2.5 pips. 16.828. A little bit late. 16.828. Okay, yeah, this is about it. We target 5R. No. Price, I think when reaching that zones that one, I'm gonna put it to break even. Of course, إذا ما ترجعت شيء وهيتنا stop loss directly. Okay. So yeah, we're in this trade, and we'll see how it goes. I'll keep you guys updated. See you later. You guys. So yeah, I think we are going to get stopped out very soon. Yeah, price. This was actually a change of character. Price رجع supply zone باش انه يكمل, I guess انه يكمل push ديالو lower. So yeah, this is definitely going to be our first loss of the challenge, and we will take it. Yep. So yeah, we just got stopped out. Price is pushing lower. Download the image. Yeah, so ديك الساعة غادي نعدلهم في probably تكون notion. نعدلهم في notion, غادي نعدل it's like journaling ديال FX replay نفس الحاجة. Okay, so yeah, we gotta journal our trades, and yeah, so ديك الساعة نشوفو what we did wrong, شنو كنا قادرين نعدلو مزيان. I think in this case we could have followed the structure ديال 15 minutes. I was actually expecting an price pushing higher, but yeah, it is what it is. Price بدا شونجنا كاركتير بريك عنا internal structure ديال 15 minutes. رجع supply zone, and yeah, it's pushing lower. So we took our first loss of the challenge. بس نريفريش لكم هادي. Yep. Oh, we lost more than $100. It's to 1.24, which is bad actually. I pretty much knew it صراحة يطلع لنا supply zone دي تكمل. Yeah, could have put it on break even, but yeah, even إذا كانت غادي تبوشي a little bit higher و price رجع ند supply zone, the least we can have a reaction from it. So حتى إذا كانت غادي تبوشي to the upside ومثل break even, yeah, there's a high chance أنها تأدي لي break even عاد تكمل push ديال الفلوب. So yeah, ما كانش عندنا بزاف ديال الروم صراحة في هاد التريد هادي باش أننا نعدلو ل break even. So yeah, this is about it. See you guys tomorrow إن شاء الله. Peace out.